QuickBooks Online Advanced helps you create and customize your own reports. Then, after you've built a report, you can view it as a chart to help you understand your company's data better. We'll go over how to run a report. Then switch between the table and chart views and customize the chart. Select Reports. Select Create New Report to start from scratch, or run a pre-built report. Then customize your report. Check out this video for more info on how to customize reports. While you build your report, you're in Table View. This is where you choose the columns, group options, and filters to build your report. The columns you include on the report are important because they'll also be your options if you want to customize your chart. To see your report as a chart, select Chart View. QuickBooks displays a chart of your data and options to customize it. Note that these options change the layout and organization of the graph. If you want to change the transactions QuickBooks uses to build the chart, switch back to Table View and customize the report from there. Select the type of chart you want. Then customize how you want to organize the chart. Your horizontal or X-axis options come from the columns you selected earlier for the report that aren't dollar amounts. And your vertical or Y-axis options are the columns you selected that are dollar amounts. When you save your report, QuickBooks saves your chart customizations as well. Now you're ready to use Chart View when you run custom reports.